Let me turn my light on real quick. Sorry. So, hi, this is my app that I developed. It's called Event Hub. Um, the way it works, you basically, um, okay, it basically is a unified calendar for both Google Chrome and Outlook, rather Gmail and Outlook. So over here you can see at our landing page we have a terms and service agreement. You press accept and continue. It tells you we're gonna connect to your Google and Outlook calendar, and it also tells you that you're gonna have secure authentication. Once you press accept and continue, you can choose to get started if you haven't created an account before. Let's say I want to sign in with Google, for example. mm, the process is pretty much the same, but let's say we're using this account. Once you try to sign in, Google hasn't verified this app yet, so it lets you know that. And the reason this is the reason I'm able to continue is because this email is um, invited by the developer. So once you log in, or once you get past that stage, it's Google tells you that this is what the app will access about you. This is what Event Hub will access about you: your name, your profile picture, as well as your email. And then it basically says you can continue from here. Basically it's like, okay, continue, or you can cancel, obviously. But it also shows the privacy policy and terms of service for you to take a look at before you actually continue. So once you do that, it tells you, hey, we are gonna view all the events on your calendar, as well as see and download any calendar you access using your Google Calendar. So obviously you can decide what permissions you want, but let's say I decide to select all. Then there's also a final one in here that says make sure you trust Event Hub, after which you press continue. But before you press continue, you can also decide to click learn more, and then it kind of gives you more description on what the app is telling you. Hey, this is what you're gonna give this web app access to. So once you press continue, it tells you welcome, and then it syncs your events from Google Calendar onto this dashboard for you to see. Then you can also connect your Google Calendar, sorry, your Microsoft Calendar. I do not have an Outlook account for this email, so I'm unable to connect right now, but this is basically what the interface looks like. This is how it basically works. So yeah, the scopes basically kind of let you know, like, hey, this is explicitly what we are gonna use your data for, and this is like the only thing we're gonna use it for. So yeah.